Python, a better way to write a than block with join? Is there a better way to write this code? I know it's very simple, but the way I wrote it seems so repetitive. I'm not necessarily looking for a one-line genius code, just some other readable, useful alternative. Thanks in advance! Self.property is always set, which is not true for self.room, self.floor, and self.building. By the way, this is part of the models.py of a Django code in case anyone is wondering. Side question: is using property as a variable name a bad idea? I noticed property gets highlighted under syntax, but I looked it up and it's not a Python reserved word. Here is the complete class.
This first part was an answer to the original question if choosing the first non-none element to append. See updates below that address the revised question. Without trying to do a crazy one line or something too fancy, I think this is a pretty easy solution. Just loop over them and append the first one that is not none, then break. If you want a one-liner, here is a list comprehension. A more readable compromise to that last one could be: Adzaman was right in suggesting not to use property for your variable names. It is a built-in type. Update. Because in your comments you mentioned what you actually wanted was any of those properties that are not none, it's a super simple list comp. Update 2, a great suggestion in the comments by @VaughnCato.
Just use the OR operator. It automatically returns the value of the first expression that evaluates to true. Also, property isn't a reserved word, but it is a built-in, so yeah, don't use that.
Building on what JDI posted. Taking advantage of the fact that self.property is never none, and building on VaughnCato's post.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.